Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you how to make the photo like this to this. So here you are getting all the stuff is like that. This one just morning sun. Here the morning sun came from the window and just over there in a phase you are getting over there, and I applied a preset which I'll provide you in this video, and after that I added another effects from the Nick collection. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with your friend. So here the stock image I downloaded from the deviantart.com, and I'll provide you that download link in my video description for the practice purpose. And after that press Ctrl or Command J, you'll just get another copy of this background layer, and after that go to the filter, camera filter. So if you have no camera filter or you have the earlier version of the 12.3 camera filter, please check out my video description. I given the updated version, that means 12.3, huge changes and huge update, which is very helpful and convenient for you guys. So check out my video description for the download link of the camera 12.3. and this one is provided from the adobe.com, and this one is free of cost. And here lots of changes you are just getting over there in this camera, that means 12.3 version. And in this version, this one is too much convenient and similar to the Lightroom. You're getting all the stuffs like Lightroom. If you use the Lightroom, you're getting the similarities like that. So here some like important tools, and here some 3 or 4 dots over there, and select over there and go to the load settings options. And that preset which I provided you earlier or given my video description already, you will select that preset, select this preset and go to the load option. You will get the instant result of this. So how I made this one, let's start the discussion. Here the temperature 0, exposure that is 05.05 actually, the highlight down that is -15, shadow -8, and the +6 for the whites, and the blacks -11. And here the curves like that. I given the input value over there, that is 255 and output value 246, and here the input value 116 and the output value 112, and input value 23, output value 29, and the detail that is 69, and noise reduction 35, and the color noise that is 25. After that, color mixture, that is the most important part of the photo editing or color grading, whatever it is. Hue saturation luminance, hue is the color belt, which color you want to pick up or you want to give in your photo. Saturation, percentage of that relevant color, and the luminance, intensity of that color. So here hue, red hue, that is 0, and the orange hue -18, that's why you are getting the orange tone and warm tone in a phase. And the green, that is +65, that's why you are getting here some aqua type fill, and the aqua that is 0, and blue -16, that's why you are getting more like aqua over there. And let's go to the saturation option, that is the percentage of color. That means color you just used over there is define the saturation, the percentage, how will be the percentage of that color. That is the yellow color, here -23, I just made it minus value, and green, that is 83, and the luminance, that is the intensity of the colors. Orange luminance I made the up for the like this when the light just came from the window and just a phase, in a phase you just got the light which is not overexposed but highlighted. So that's why I made the orange up and the yellow, that is up. You have to be careful, these shouldn't be more just because of it will be overexposed. And here the green -45, that's good. And now time to go to the split toning. This is another important part of the photo editing, which is like the shadow color and highlight color. What color will be in the shadow and what color will be in the highlight portion. That means split tone. You are splitting the tone in two types, that is highlight and shadow. Here the highlight portion and the shadow portion. So which color you want to give in the highlight portion and which color you want to give in the shadow portion. So in a highlight portion I pick the color that is the 70 value and the saturation that is 32. The shadow that is 244 and that is the value of the color, and the saturation that is 7. So here you are getting the opacity or optics. I didn't use that. The effects I didn't use that. The calibration, that is another important part of the photo editing, which is or color grading. Here are three primary colors. One is red, another is green, and the other one is blue primary. So here the hue, again you are getting the color, which type of color or which type of tone you want to provide in your photo. If you go to the plus value, you will get the another tone, that means like orange type tone, and the saturation percentage of the color I made the 0, and the green primary that is plus 29, that's why you are getting some aqua tone, and the blue primary that is 24 minus 24, that's why you are getting more aqua. So I just provided over here warm, here is brown, and here is aqua. That means three type of things you just getting in this portion, and hit the OK button. So you are getting the instant changes over there. And now I will provide or I will add another effects from the from the adjustment layer. From here I'm just getting here the color lookup. From in this portion I will add some foggy night. So after that I'll make it like only 14%. So here the changes. So it made the highlight little bit down, and it makes sense that the light came, but it's not overexposed or like not too much shadow. It just balanced for that. And after that I'll select these two things, right press and create like convert to smart object. After that I'll go to the filter and then Nik collection and color effects proof. This one is another plugins, and you just amaze that you just like that because of bunch of presets collection over there. So lots of preset over there. From here I'm just taking the cross processing, and from here lots of method. Which one is perfect for your photography you have to choose. I think this one is good, or in your case you can use that. So you can use the value like this, 30 is good for me, or you can change up all the steps. This one is like a exploring portion. You can explore which one is perfect, and I think this one is perfect for me. 3.0 or 3.3 you can adjust the all the steps. I'm just giving 31 and hit the OK button. So it will take time and giving you the final output. And after that I'll make the opacity down, okay, 77%. And after that I'll go to the level options. From here I'll adjust the light, okay, and just like that, that's fine. And now I'll go to the curves. From here I'll go to the curves and I'll just lock over there, and I'll make the curve like that. So you're getting again the grammar over there, and it makes sense and it made the photo more creative. So let's see what was the previous one. Normal ordinary image, amazing, but when you are adding the effects properly, it's just adding some value and giving you the creative outputs. So hope that you just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. And if you have any kind of question, query, please comment in my video comment section. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today, and keep me in your prayers as well. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.